besides its application in industrial automation, the IDX is the ideal solution for motorization of HEVs. IDX drives are used as the main drive to move the HEV and can also support additional functions like goods handling in a warehouse. In addition, Maxon is offering a complete set of modules for HEVs and mobile applications in intralogistics. The brand new MW wheel drive consists of a powerful BLDC motor with encoder and an integrated gearhead available with various gear ratios. It offers additional options for integrated brakes and electronics. The Maxon battery management system ensures safe and reliable operation of modern lithium-ion batteries and provides a standardized CANopen communication interface compatible with other Maxon modules. And last but not least, there's the brain of the HEV, the Maxon Master Controller from the Max family, which offers effective and flexible application programming supported by a powerful motion library. This is our demo HEV based on Maxon modules. It looks great, doesn't it? Maxon's mobility team will be happy to support you with best-in-class solutions for automotive, e-mobility and robotic applications.